PSL Datatrack is a superb system. It's user-friendly, it captures everything that we need in a subcontract world, but one of the major things for us is the traceability that the system gives us. Being an AS 9100 accredited business, that's the fundamental part of our data. I'm Adam, Operations Director here at Technoset, and we're a precision engineering subcontractor specialising in turned and milled prismatic parts for the aerospace sector, automotive, medical and precision equipment. Technoset was formed in 1978 by Mr. Fred Moser, and I was fortunate enough to join the company just under 3 years ago. We're part of the Techno Group with a sister company in Hastings called Technoturn. Currently here in Rugby we have 25 employees, but that's growing with our intake of apprentices and new staff every year. Our goal is to increase productivity, efficiency and profitability year on year. And we do that using our data in our manufacturing systems, and that's why we invested with PSL Datatrack.
I'm Jeff Gartland, Managing Director of PSL Datatrack, which is a production control system designed specifically for subcontract precision engineering businesses like Technoset. The system has many strengths, with quotations at the very start for the sales process. You've got scheduling in the middle, so you can plan the shop floor production, and then you've got the quality aspects as well. Our system is about helping you measure the business as a whole, not just the machines. They're just one element in the manufacturing process. Datatrack is a modular system. It's not one size fits all. It's there to be scaled to suit any size of subcontract precision engineering business. Whatever their business improvement needs are, we're there on hand to help with the solution.
We've been using Datatrack for many years, but not to its full capability. So now we've embarked on a project which is based around digitalisation and removing the need for paper on the shop floor. There's lots of delays and accuracies with the paper process, so getting that data into the manufacturing system is vital to us. Our digitalisation project is supported by the Aerospace Up funding with the MAA and Nottingham University. But that's with PSL Datatrack looking at implementing status boards on the shop floor. So having communication to the operators and back to the management team. But that funding's helping us roll out a pilot and working with the Datatrack team to develop the system further. To make it easier for our operators to input the data, we've worked with PSL Datatrack on the barcode scanners and the shop floor data collection system. That reduces the time needed to input the data. We've also worked on the scheduler because it's really important to schedule the people as well as the machine, so making sure that our resources are where they need to be at the right time.
Behind me is an example of a central point for each manufacturing cell that will both act as a point for tooling and information for all production that's going to work through the machine shop, but also it's the point of feeding data back that's key to management to make those important decisions going forward.
Datatrack's a core system within our business and everybody's used to using it, but change brings challenges. Getting the operators to input the manufacturing data is important, and we want it to be as quick and as seamless as possible. So using the shop floor data collection module and barcode scanners really makes that efficient. Rolling out new systems to a shop floor has challenges, but supported by the team at Datatrack to keep the refinements and the continuous improvements is really important. We have to tweak things and they respond to our demands on that. I have more conversations with Leon and Dean in a week than I do with my wife sometimes.
Feedback and collaboration are key to any system to make it really work properly. We work very closely with Technoset as well as many other customers. We have in excess of 1,500 configuration options in the system as a whole, and that's how we're able to adapt it to make certain features work for some and not others. Without that feedback, we wouldn't get the value that we really add back into the system and therefore pass back to our customers. Many subcontract businesses have felt that production control software has been a luxury, but that's not the case anymore. It's a necessity to drive your business forward and to make it efficient. A business that stands still these days, in practice, goes backwards. We know that businesses invest in robots and automation for the machines. It's the same with your software. It needs to give you data accurately, simply and quickly.
The developments that the PSL team have worked on recently and implemented are excellent, and we're super excited for what the future holds and the plans around those as well. But data is powerful, and we need to use that correctly to drive our business forwards.